Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to show these two pair of slides to you to kind of help you decide which slides from Amazon are going to be best for you. Now, these are the Bronax slides, and I've had these for maybe like a year, a while. You can see they're a little dirty on the bottom because I do wear them quite a bit. These are newer for me, and I just want to show you the differences to help you make a decision about what's best for you. So I'll come a little bit closer to the camera so that you can see this. They each have a certain amount of texture. These are more like little dots, sort of. And then this one you can see we've got these different kind of lines across it. They're both like pretty soft, and I'd say they feel similar in that way. Let me show you the differences here. So this like lip right here, I would say is a little bit more gradual on the Bronax, where it's more pronounced on this. And I say that because you want to make sure you get a size big enough, because you definitely don't, like, it's not comfortable if your foot is going to go off the back of this or the front of this, and probably not so much with this one either, but you just want to make sure you have a size big enough for your foot. So definitely take a look at that when you're making your decision. Now let's look at how kind of thick each of them are. We'll look at this back side of them. So Bronax is just a little bit more thick, I would say. And then let's look at how much they bend. We'll take a look at this one first. So you can get some decent bend out of that. Depending on, I mean, bend can be nice or not nice depending on what you're looking for. I would say these are a little more solid. They're not going to bend quite as much. But both are really comfortable, and I think it just kind of depends more on what you're looking for. But I hope this was helpful for you, and so you can make the best decision for you.